Hello everyone and welcome to Chapter 2 Club, Smart Woman's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today I'm with Cassie Zampa-Keim, dating and relationship expert of innovativematch.com, and today's hot tip of the day is...
Hot tip of the day. Don't pass up on the men online or man online, whoever you find, because of their photos. Men take terrible photos. I just did a blog all about it. They are not, women, we take little selfies together. We're always taking photos, mostly. Men don't. I never see a man taking a selfie. I mean, that'd be kind of weird, taking selfies. They're usually group shots or shots with them looking terrible, baseball hats, photos, whatever. Men take terrible photos online. And so just make sure that when you see somebody online, flip through those photos and try to imagine what they look like without the goofy face, the selfie in the bathroom, the baseball cap, and all the crazy photos that men put up online. So if you're interested in the facts and some of my thoughts, go onto my blog at Innovative Match and read the blog about why men take terrible photos online. So don't pass up a guy because he looks like a goofball. Most men take terrible photos. Like I said, ladies, I don't see a lot of men taking group selfies or selfies the way we do. So good luck. Thanks.